Hello everybody, it's Johnny5. In this video I'm going to talk to you about Unity, another game engine that's free to use. Now I did one video about the Unreal Engine, and I want to make a video about Unity. That it's another good program to use for 3D modeling, game development, and animation and film development as well. See the video here, it shows what it can do, and it has a lot of information about what it can create. Just like Blender, I'm making one on that one too as well. Just so much you can do with it. Now, I used to use Unity, just use it a little bit. Now I'm mostly using Unreal Engine, which is pretty good. But Unreal Engine is a lot easier to use in my opinion. So it just has asset store, learning page, documentation, support if you need help with it. Or go on YouTube and type in tutorials, same thing. It's pretty powerful, and you want to apply there to hiring, which is pretty neat. And not much information on Unreal Engine has, but you can click on kind of links, like up here, the products they have, solutions made with Unity. You can see what they made, probably the same thing. But you can see here, it shows the games and everything, but I don't want to show it. I'll show here demos and games that are made from it. So it's really cool. The reason I'm doing these kind of videos is to show people that there is ways to make games for free. You don't need to pay money. You don't need to buy expensive software. You can do it for free. Might take time, but it's there. And the community is huge, especially 3D modeling and anything. There's so much you can do nowadays, like this, like VR and stuff. It's getting there. Remember, like 5 years ago, you couldn't really do this. You could, but well, you can't really find it. So it's a really cool program. If you have any other questions, I'll put a link in the description for Unity. And have a wonderful day.